Right, so hi guys, it's Philip English, 2019 IREX, and we're here at another stand, and this is quite an interesting stand. This looks out to be like with soft flight robotics. So I'll get the gentleman to introduce himself and tell us a little bit more about the company. So, what's your name, sir?
Masashi Ono. I'm a CEO of Amoeba Energy.
Right, fantastic. And can you give us like an overview of your product, really?
Yeah, so we are creating a soft robot. The robot made of the soft material, and in this case we are using the rubber foam for the track,
Right.
so that this robot can climb down the stairs with arbitrary, different type of the steps.
Okay.
Because the soft material changes their shapes, so even though there are many irregularities, this robot doesn't care.
It doesn't care. And the idea is this to be an external robot to go outside.
We're thinking about using this robot interior, inside a house or building.
Okay,
Yeah.
okay, so it's internal, like delivery. Yeah. I mean, I love your branding. I mean, I love the yellow and the name and everything. Oh, that's really smart. I really like it. So this is the prototype. So how long do you reckon? Another year or so before you get into
So
production?
we are planning to sell our first product in 2021.
2021. Okay.
By that time, we're perform many times experiments so that we can, develop the techniques.
Right. And then I can see from the video. So not only can it deliver the product, it can also actually drop off the product as well.
Yes, because this robot can bend its attitude, so that we can drop the luggage in front of your door, which makes it possible to deliver. Last 1 mile problem can be solved.
Maybe. So, what sort of price range are you thinking that this robot's going to be?
We are thinking about the price so that not only the company but also consumer can use this. We haven't yet decided the price, but yeah.
Okay. And then to do with the scanners, I can see you've got a LiDAR scanner. You've got a 3D camera right at the front.
So this will now develop in the automated driving.
Yep.
So that we just simply need to give this robot the destination, and it can autonomously deliver
the
lights. Yes.
Has it got Wi-Fi connection and stuff like that?
Yes.
So if you wanted to speak to a lift or something like that, you can go in the lift and call it.
Yeah, I think so. Yeah,
on that side. And I suppose obviously you showed me a picture earlier of the ideal dream, and it's to have an inflatable unit, or
So our ultimate goal is to create a robot with the airbags, which is the softest and the lightest material for the robot. Yeah.
Okay. And then the sort of max kilogram of weight that the robot can handle?
At the moment, 6 kilograms.
Okay.
But if the user needs to have heavier load, we can increase those payload, of course.
So, could you increase the size of the robot? Could you make it a bigger version?
Of course, why not? Yeah.
Maybe a smaller version as well.
But to climb up the stairs, the length needs to meet certain criteria
to get to basic stairs. Yeah. So that is this the smallest it can be for a stairs?
Exactly. Yes.
Yeah. Right. Okay. Yeah. Again, I mean, it looks like a fantastic product. I really like the idea about it. What I'll do then is I'll put some links in so people can find out where to find you. And many thanks for the interview.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much. Cool.